Welcome to Technoland Expart. Happy New Year 2026. Animated fireworks are rendered on a transparent canvas layered over a looping background video, producing the impression of fireworks exploding in the sky of a live scene. The page layout begins with a full reset of margins, padding, and box sizing, then forces the HTML and body elements to fill the entire viewport with overflow hidden to prevent scrolling. A container element is positioned relatively so that its children can be layered, with a video element placed absolutely inside it to cover the full screen using Object Fit, Cover, ensuring the video always fills the viewport without distortion. The video is set to autoplay, loop, remain muted, and play inline so it works smoothly across devices. On top of the video, a canvas element is absolutely positioned and configured with pointer events, none so it does not block user interaction with the underlying video, allowing the canvas to function purely as a visual overlay. JavaScript initializes the canvas and 2D drawing context, sets its size to match the window, and updates those dimensions whenever the window is resized to keep the overlay aligned with the video. The fireworks effect is implemented using a simple particle system defined by the particle class, where each particle stores its position, color, radius, velocity in both directions, and a life counter that determines how long it remains visible. Particles move by adding their velocity to their position each frame and gradually expire as their life decreases. The draw method renders each particle as a small colored circle, simulating glowing sparks. Firework explosions are created by the explode function, which spawns a large number of particles at a given position with random velocities and randomly selected bright colors, creating the appearance of a burst. An animation loop driven by request animation frame clears the canvas each frame, removes particles that have expired, updates the remaining particles' positions, and redraws them, ensuring smooth motion and efficient memory usage. A timed interval triggers explosions at random horizontal positions and within the upper half of the screen every 1.2 seconds, maintaining a steady rhythm of fireworks without overwhelming the display. Together, these components combine HTML layout, video playback, canvas rendering, and particle animation to create an immersive fireworks overlay effect where colorful bursts animate seamlessly over a moving video background in real time. Thanks for watching this. I hope you will support my channel.